Buenos días, planta. Debemos tomarnos por lo menos 3 litros de agua cada 3 horas. Es importante cuidar nuestro estado de hidratación.
All my days are different. That's something I really appreciate, and I will see different faces every day, and I will run into my patients and they will say, "Hi, Dr. Nancy." That's the most wonderful experience. In Honduras, we have access to the public health system, but on the date of your appointment, you might have transportation issues, you need to take days off work, and when you get there, the specialist that saw you the last time might not be the same person, so there's no history. You have to start all over again. Here at Gildan, we're always here. I'm basically your family doctor, but at work. You might assume that having a doctor at work, we will see mostly injuries, but that's not the case. We give preventative care, we give prenatal care, we do wellness checkups, and we provide human care. We can see anywhere from 60 to 100 patients per day. It means the world to me to be able to give quality care to people who might not otherwise have access to that care.
No molesta, no duele. Qué bueno. Vuélvame a ver acá. Okay.
When people identify with their doctor and they learn to trust their doctor and are able to establish a true relationship with their doctor, it means the world to them. The fact that our people have quality medical care means not only that they will work and feel better, it means that they get home and they still have energy to play with their kids and to know that they will be there when their kids need them.
Hola, ¿cómo está? Bien, bien.
As a doctor, your days are different anywhere you are. But if anybody asks me where I see myself in 10 years, I picture myself here, having a positive impact on our people.